What if I told you that by 2030, writing code might not be the main job of a software engineer? It sounds scary, right? But here is the truth. Software engineering is not dying, it's evolving faster than ever you think. And if you understand this shift early, you will be ahead of 90% of the people. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Srinivas. So today we are talking about the future of software engineers in 2030. So what skill will matter, what will disappear, and how you can stay relevant in this AI driven world. So let's break it down. First will be AI will not replace you, but so let's address the big fear first. Will AI replace software engineers? Short answer is no. And real answer I will tell you that AI will replace engineers who don't evolve. Tools like AI code generators are already writing functions, fixing bugs, and even building apps. So by 2030, basic coding will be automated. So if your only skill is writing syntax, you are at risk. But here is the opportunity. The demand for problem solvers will explode. Means companies won't pay for code, they will pay for solution. Second, we'll discuss shift from coder to problem solver. So what exactly this means? In 2030, the role will shift from developer to system thinker. Means instead of asking how do I write this code, you will ask what problem am I solving? And what's the best way to solve it using AI tools and systems? So engineers will become AI orchestras, system designers, and decision makers. Means coding will still exist, but as a tool, not the main skill. Third is top skills you need. If you want to survive and grow, focus on these five skills. First is AI and automation skills. In AI and automation skills, learn how to use AI tools like build AI agents and automate workflows. Second is system design thinking. In that, you have to understand that how large system work, scalability, architecture, and how APIs works. Third is problem solving mindset. It means companies value people who can break down complex problems. Fourth is I can say you that communication skill. You will work with teams, clients, and AI systems. Clear thinking matters, and your communication will be improved. And fifth is business understanding. So engineers who understand business will earn more than who just know to write code. Fourth is what jobs will look like. So by 2030, job roles will change. Instead of front-end developer, back-end developer, you can see AI engineer, automation architect, and even AI product builder. Now here freelancing and solo entrepreneurship will also rise because one person with AI can do the work of 10 people today. Next we will come to final truth. Here is the reality most people won't tell you. The future belongs to the people who adopt fast. So if you keep learning, experimenting and building, you won't just survive, you will dominate. But if you stay comfortable with your old skills, AI will move ahead without you. AI is changing faster than ever you think, and the people who learn it early will stay ahead of everyone else. So, if you want to learn more about AI tools, AI agents, and automation, future tech, and how to grow your career with AI, so make sure to like, subscribe, and follow this channel because here we don't just talk about the future, we build it together. And if you want AI training or one-to-one AI consulting, so I have provided my mail ID in the description and also in the comment. So you can mail me on that. Anything related to AI, you want career path, so I can guide you according to that. Okay, thank you.